Did you know that the way you pair your eggs could be silently harming your brain and increasing your risk of cancer? While eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, combining them with the wrong foods can turn this superfood into a hidden danger. Stay with me as I reveal the shocking truth about what not to eat with your eggs and discover 3 life-changing recipes that will not only protect your brain, but also boost your overall health. Before we get into the foods you should avoid, let's talk about why this is so important. The number of people suffering from dementia is on the rise, and it's not just affecting the elderly. More and more young people in their 20s and 30s are being diagnosed. A big reason for this increase is linked to our dietary habits. What we eat, and more importantly, how we combine foods, plays a crucial role in our health. When it comes to eggs, what you eat with them can either help or harm you. Understanding the right pairings can make all the difference. Let's start with the first food you should never pair with eggs. Number 1. Flour and bread. Yes, the combination of eggs and bread, something as common as breakfast itself, could be setting you up for health problems. You might think that your morning toast and eggs are a perfect match, but here's where things go wrong. Eggs are rich in a nutrient called choline, which is incredibly beneficial for brain health. Choline helps to maintain the structure of brain cell membranes and is involved in memory and cognitive function. However, when you combine eggs with foods high in refined carbs like white bread or pastries, it leads to a spike in blood sugar. This surge creates harmful sugar toxins in your body, known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which can damage brain cells. Over time, these sugar toxins contribute to inflammation, one of the key factors in the development of dementia and even certain types of cancer. So, while it might seem harmless to enjoy your eggs with toast, this combination could be slowly eroding your brain health. It's a simple change, but swapping out that white bread for a whole grain or skipping it altogether can make a big difference in protecting your cognitive function in the long run. 2. Soy products. This might surprise you because soy is often touted as a health food, rich in protein and beneficial nutrients. But when it comes to combining soy with eggs, there's a hidden danger. Soy contains something called trypsin inhibitors. These are natural compounds that block the action of trypsin, an enzyme that helps digest protein in your stomach. When you consume soy products like tofu or soy milk with eggs, these trypsin inhibitors can interfere with the digestion and absorption of the high-quality protein found in eggs. And as soy also contains phytoestrogens, which can mimic estrogen in the body. For some people, this might not be a concern, but for others, especially those at risk of hormone-related cancers like breast or prostate cancer, this combination could pose a significant risk. When phytoestrogens interact with the nutrients in eggs, it can potentially disrupt hormonal balance, leading to long-term health issues. This subtle interaction might seem insignificant, but over time, it can contribute to a weakened immune system and increased vulnerability to chronic illnesses. So, next time you think about mixing eggs with soy, remember that this seemingly healthy combo might be doing more harm than good. Number 3. Tea, particularly green or black tea. This might seem like a healthy choice. After all, tea is packed with antioxidants and is often praised for its health benefits. But when paired with eggs, it can lead to some unexpected problems. The issue lies in a compound called tannins, which are abundant in both green and black tea. Tannins can bind with the proteins in eggs, forming complexes that are difficult for your body to digest. This not only makes it harder for your body to absorb the essential nutrients from the eggs, but can also lead to digestive discomfort, including bloating and constipation. What's more concerning is that these tannin-protein complexes can slow down your digestive process, leading to a less efficient metabolism. This can cause your body to retain toxins for longer, which increases the risk of these harmful substances being absorbed into your bloodstream. Over time, this can contribute to chronic digestive issues and even increase your risk of certain cancers. So while that cup of tea might seem like a soothing way to wash down your breakfast, it could actually be undermining your health in ways you hadn't considered. If you want to maximize the benefits of your eggs and keep your digestion running smoothly, it's better to enjoy your tea separately, preferably a couple of hours before or after your meal. Now that we've covered the foods to avoid, let's shift our focus to something positive. how to maximize the health benefits of eggs with the right pairings. But before that, if you are enjoying this video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Pair it up with pumpkin. This might not be the first food that comes to mind when you think of egg pairings, but it's one of the best. You see, pumpkin is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that perfectly complement the nutrients in eggs. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient essential for maintaining good vision, supporting your immune system, and promoting skin health. When you pair pumpkin with eggs, you're not just getting a hearty, satisfying meal. You're also enhancing your body's ability to absorb these essential nutrients. The combination of fiber from the pumpkin and the protein from the eggs creates a powerful duo that stabilizes your blood sugar levels, keeping you full and energized throughout the day. And the antioxidant that pumpkins boast will help to reduce inflammation in your body, which is key to preventing chronic diseases like cancer and dementia. I know it might not look like an appealing combo, but the health benefits it comes with make it worth a try. It's up to you whether you want to make pumpkin pancakes, pumpkin egg rolls, or even a simple pumpkin and egg soup. But this pairing can be a game changer for your health. Cheese. See, I love cheese omelets. And knowing how much it's beneficial for our health, I've now become its literal fan. You know, eggs are often hailed as a complete food because they contain a variety of essential nutrients, but they are relatively low in calcium. This is where cheese maximizes its nutrition. Cheese, especially varieties like cheddar, Gouda, or Parmesan, is rich in calcium and other vital nutrients that complement the nutritional profile of eggs. When you combine eggs with cheese, you're not just making your meal more delicious, you're also enhancing the bioavailability of key nutrients. Calcium is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth, and it also plays a role in nerve function, muscle contraction, and blood clotting. By adding cheese to your eggs, you're ensuring that your body gets a well-rounded dose of nutrients in every bite. Also, as cheese is made with the fermentation process, it introduces beneficial probiotics, which support gut health. And who would deny that a healthy gut is linked to a stronger immune system, better digestion, and even improved mental health? So, next time you make an omelet, consider adding some cheese. It's more than just a tasty addition. It's a boost to your overall health. Apple. That might sound weird, but it's among the highly effective pairing. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, particularly pectin, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. What makes apples an excellent pairing with eggs is their high vitamin C content. While eggs provide many essential nutrients, they lack vitamin C, which is crucial for the immune system, skin health, and the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. By eating apples with your eggs, you're filling that nutritional gap, making your meal more balanced and beneficial. The natural sweetness of apples also helps to offset the richness of eggs, creating a satisfying and well-rounded flavor profile. Whether you slice up an apple on the side of your breakfast plate, mix it into an egg salad, or even bake it into a healthy apple and egg frittata, this combination is a simple yet powerful way to elevate your meals. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly discuss how to cook your eggs to get the most out of these health benefits. The way you prepare eggs can make a big difference in their nutritional value. For starters, boiling or poaching your eggs is one of the healthiest methods because it preserves the majority of the nutrients without adding extra calories or unhealthy fats. Soft boiling your eggs, in particular, keeps the yolk slightly runny, which retains more vitamins and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, crucial for eye health. On the other hand, frying eggs, especially at high temperatures or in unhealthy oils, can lead to the oxidation of cholesterol in the yolk, which is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. If you do prefer fried eggs, try using healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil, which have high smoke points and are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Scrambling eggs is another popular method, but it's important to avoid overcooking them. Overcooked scrambled eggs can become tough and rubbery, losing some of their nutrient content. Adding a splash of milk or cream while scrambling can help retain moisture, but be sure not to go overboard with high-fat dairy if you're watching your calorie intake. So, remember to cook your eggs wisely and pair them with the right foods to maximize their benefits. Small changes can lead to big health improvements. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy. And don't forget to check out our next video for more valuable insights.